discuss the application of artificial intelligence in neonatology. This is what I do. I'm doing artificial intelligence applied in medicine. We, UNICA, University of Cagliari, is part of a Better4U project. This project is a European Union funded project and it runs from 2023 to 2027 and it brings together 28 institutions from 21 countries. This project is coordinated by Karolina Kopec University of Athens in Greece. The main objective of this project is to create a new intervention to tackle obesity. Our role in this project is to analyze metabolomic data to uncover the most important metabolites which contribute to obesity.